Hi, welcome back. We're going to be talking about keyword research. Keyword research or keyword is very important, very vital to our SEO ranking. Without keywords relating to your website, you will not be able to get the right audience to your website. Okay? So, keyword is the key for your Google ranking. It is the key that makes your website discovered online. So with keyword research, you'll be able to get right audience. Tools I will introduce you Google AdWords or Ubersuggest. I use the two, but I prefer Ubersuggest because Ubersuggest is owned by Peter, which I know you may know. So Ubersuggest, it incorporates both Google AdWords and this is Ubersuggest here. Okay, so you put your keyword here and the lookup and see how it works. Okay, so before that, let's finish up our this, and then we then talk about that. So this is your in Google AdWords or Ubersuggest. Choose exact match. Okay, and point the traffic to the relevant page on your website. What does it mean here? If you have found a very good keyword for your website, what you need to do here, create a page. This is what I do. You can when you get very good keywords for your website, at least 6 good keywords for your website or 7. Okay, you can work on that. Create a page on that for that keyword. This is what I do. Create a page for that keyword so that Google can index it. Remember, if you have not created a page for anything, Google can't index it. So when you create a page for that your keyword, then you work on SEO for that keyword. You may not allow it to appear on your menu. So when you are editing your menu or working on your menu, you shouldn't allow it to automatically appear on menu bar. Okay, it will be there. Okay, so under keyword research, I'll be talking about long tail and short keyword. Okay, some people may think that short keyword is better, but I will tell you it's always good for long tail keyword. Like short keyword, people tend to browse their. When you are searching for it, you see millions of people looking into that, and you may think that's the best. No, that's not the best. Example: clothes. If I'm searching for I'm an audience searching for clothes on internet, yeah, it will come up. Clothes will come up. Okay, for so many internet providers or internet or e-commerce website that are selling clothes. But I'm browsing clothes just to have a look. I'm not ready to buy it. Okay, clothes is a short keyword and does not do justice to us, okay, or to you. The buyer may not be ready to buy any clothing as he is just looking or browsing through. Okay, he's just browsing through the website. But if I have used a long tail keyword, let me see here: cheap Ralph Lauren men's polo shirt, size medium. I've been precise. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, there may be 30 to 50 people percent looking for this type of long tail keywords. Okay, and these people here are ready to purchase it. So this is a very good keyword if you are selling clothes. Okay, there are so many free keyword research tools out there, okay, that you can use. Okay, as I've said this, okay, something above. So you may be thinking, because of average monthly searches, you may think the short keyword could be better. No, I advise you always go for long tail keyword. Okay, so let's come here now, put here, let's put for clothes here and see. Okay, As an example, let's put close here. Let's look up. Okay, it's searching for us here. We shall see what's going on here. Okay, so it's come up here with 605 keywords. Affordable clothing, women clothing, apparel. You see, people searching for this. Okay, best online clothing stores. Okay, best clothing stores. You see the volume of people searching for all this. Buy clothing online, buy ladies. So many people are searching for this. But yeah, you can also put these keywords as one of your keywords. But if you come and put something of this nature, okay, let's put cheap women, best online women's. Okay, you can see the volume here. Best women's clothing, black and white dress. Okay, you could see specific here, black and white dress. You could see the volume. Okay, some people tend to have something of this black cocktail dress, like as I have told you before. You could see. So if you are really if your niche is cocktail dress, you could see black cocktail dress 33,100. Okay, black dress. So this is something I'm really trying to let you know. So you keep on going down to see how many people that are searching for this. And at the same time, you can also use Google to have a brief look of how it's done. Women, okay, let's see, put here. Women dress, okay, cheap women dress, okay. Remember the word cheap women dress. Okay, let's put here and see. You could see when we are putting cheap women dress, you could see they be all coming up. Cheap dress sale clearance. Okay, so when you come down here as well, you could see suggested cheap dresses UK under 10. Okay, so these are the things people are really searching. So as I said, so this is the way to search for keywords. You really got to take your time, say things that work out for you, go for them. Don't be afraid to look or check what your competitors are doing, or you know what I mean. Check out where you could get something on how their own is cheap formal dress, okay, or how they're doing, so you'll be able to have a knowledge. This one's for payment, okay, for Google AdWords, okay. So all these ones here, you can see here the competition CPC, okay. So this is a competition, how much they've been put, okay. So this is the way to work on your Google search, okay, or your keyword research. Yeah, it's something you need to take it easy and research on and see what works out for you and what does not work out for you. Thank you, and hope to see you